Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make chocolate popcorn. So it's going viral on, on TikTok, and then people are doing it on YouTube as well. So we just got chocolate buttons, and we got popcorn seeds. We're going to put this popcorn seeds in the popcorn maker over there. So, gonna get the butter. Cool. I'm gonna use this bread here because we don't have the block butter. So let's get into it. So we're gonna put the popcorn seeds in there. I might just take this off. Put the popcorn seeds in the popcorn maker. I'm not going to have too much popcorn because so we're going to put it on. So I've got a tablespoon here. I'm just going to do a tablespoon of spread butter and put it in the put this on there. So we've got gas. So we just got to wait for this butter to melt. Then we can put the chocolate in. Oh, it's melted now. So I'm just waiting for the butter to melt so I can put the chocolate buttons in. Melted, no, sort of. Okay, I've got to put I'm just going to take a handful of very good. So I took the chocolate out of the on the gas, so it's all melted. So I'm going to put the chocolate in the So I'm going to mix the popcorn in to mix it. So hopefully it covers the popcorn. Whoops! I'm dropping the popcorn, guys. Tastes quite nice. Okay, thank you for watching how to make chocolate popcorn. If you guys want to try this with chocolate and popcorn, subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the road. It's Ronnie's out, and Merry Christmas. Woohoo! Oh, this is nice.